Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm outdoor again and I'm going to show you how we make African salad. So let's get started. This salad is for both my husband and my mom. Both of them are celebrating their birthday. My husband's birthday was on the 8th and my mom's own on the 10th. So I'm making this salad to celebrate them. Okay guys, so this is my lettuce. My lettuce is ready. It's already washed with salt and cold water. And this is my cucumber, and this is my boiled egg, and this is my fresh tomato, and this is my onions. Okay guys, and this is my luncheon meat, which they call spam. Okay, so this is the luncheon meat I use.
The baked
Okay, the baked beans I use, and this is the luncheon meat I use. Okay, called spam here in America, and this is the sardine. See my birthday girl pop up. She's here. Oh my goodness, you're looking gorgeous. So guys, what I did, I put this cup into a boiled water, all of them, because they are canned food, before I open them. Okay guys, because these food are all vegetables somehow, so I try to make sure when we eat them, we will not have running stomach. So let's continue. So first of all, I'm going to put my salad, my lettuce, back home we call them salad leaf. Okay guys. Sweet mother, what do you want to say to them?
What God cannot do does not exist. Like to say a time without one today.
She's a miracle woman. God has done a lot for us.
Amen.
Okay guys, so after the lettuce, I'm going to put my onions. Okay, I use the onion shredder. That's why it's so tiny. Okay. Yeah, that's why I rush. So this is my cucumber. Okay guys. Sister, do you want to come to this side and help me, or you don't want to touch it? Though it's for you guys.
No, I'm just looking at you decorating. Today I'm not cooking, I'm not touching.
Okay. Okay, so after the cucumber, I'm going to put my tomato. So I'm just going to, because it's too big. Okay, so I'm just dividing it like this. Like this. Guys, so after this, I'm going to put my luncheon, which is they call spam here. Okay. Okay. The next one, I'm going to put my boiled egg. No guys, it's December. That's why you are seeing Christmas tablecloths, okay? So after this, I'm just gonna put my sardine. Okay, now I'm going to put the baked beans. So that's all. So this is the tray of salad, guys. So, do you like it? Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, may God bless you. And happy Christmas in advance. Bye.